Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to do the John Cena meme on TikTok. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to follow in on the trend. So, as you can see, I'm in TikTok right now, and in the search bar, I searched John Cena Capcut. So, just tap on a video, any one of these. I'm just gonna tap on the green one. And as you can see, that I tapped on it, there's this Capcut logo. So let's go ahead and tap on that. And now it's gonna take us here. So tap on use template in Capcut. And now tap on use template. And just choose a video or photo. And tap on preview and it's gonna load. So just wait for it to load. You can tap on text right here and then tap on it and then tap on edit. So just type whatever you want here. And now you can tap on export. You can also change the sound if you want to. And this is how you do the John Cena trend. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.